sponsorship from Schmidt Sciences, we were able to bring together about 35 experts in ecology, AI, and visualization. We spent the first few days getting to know each other, building a foundation of trust and understanding with each other, and then diving into some code and models, getting really frustrated, but also really excited about what we were learning about our data and learning from the people around us. And these people work on vastly different study systems, and they spend their time during the week doing very different things.
I work a lot on birds, especially Arctic birds and Antarctic birds and their predators. So we want to look at how climate change affects their behavior, migration, and their interaction with their predators and their prey.
My own research is in AI for ecology, biodiversity, and conservation. So I develop AI techniques, methods to ask and answer questions in biodiversity, conservation, and ecology to enable scientists to look at more things more carefully.
So our lab focuses in part on digital twin synthesis. So we use different imaging modalities to create a representation of a natural environment or a built environment. And then we use that as a way to really kind of see things, observe things, model things that are otherwise difficult using more traditional techniques.
I developed software for performing data visualizations on complex and large data sets. The particular focus is on immersive visualization. So the idea that you can put a user, amongst their data and they can experience it in a natural fashion like you experience the world.
The future of AI and ecology, and more broadly the AI in science, is AI as a partner in scientific discovery.
Ecology as a discipline really is growing in terms of our data collection abilities. But that leaves us with a sincere challenge. How do we process all of these big data? AI is going to be fundamental in accelerating our ability to see through all this unique and invaluable data to gain insights that are important for us both academically and probably for management.
We need to consider risks of AI more seriously. If we consider scientific activity around AI, what kind of data or information that went into the AI, what methods were used, what did AI do to come up with those insights? So it's trustworthiness, it's explainability, and also once you have explainable, trustworthy systems, how interpretable are those results by audiences of different sorts? And when you consider trustworthiness, explainability, and interpretability, it makes the recipe for also better science.
So this workshop is really designed to help build community and to democratize access to AI in ecology. So those two goals really describe the need for ecologists to learn about these tools from their peers.
Yeah, this workshop is really opening my eyes and ears, and I think activating my senses in ways that I really hadn't anticipated, where I'm learning from colleagues about how they use these tools to really kind of not just accelerate the way we do research, but to kind of make the invisible visible, to allow us to understand processes, relationships that have been difficult for us in the past.
We spent a lot of time during the workshop on education, how to code, what are the best practices, how to be transparent, how to be also accessible. And these are key ingredients for solving this, education towards code, and solving also the lack of personnel to work on these.
I think that one of the most beautiful things that I've witnessed over the course of the workshop has just been watching everyone support each other both technically and emotionally.
I was the workshop technical facilitator, so a lot of the challenges that I saw had to do with either people having differing levels of expertise with computational tools like Python, like Git and version control. And it was really encouraging to see how much peer learning and peer teaching was going on. Every single group of 5 or 6, you had people with differing levels of expertise who were enthusiastic and excited to share that with each other.
This workshop is unique in its nature that it brings together like-minded postdocs and researchers to think through what it means to use AI and visualization in ecology.
I think to facilitate the adoption of AI in ecology, we absolutely need more workshops and events like we've had this week.
If we could create an annual experience to learn, to apply tools that exist in terms of the analysis in AI, I think we'll create a more welcoming environment so we can expand our network of practitioners who are really trying to apply current tools to current problems.
One of my hopes for this workshop is that it makes people happy. I really want to bring a community together that's going to last over time. I want these people to be able to rely on each other for support and for lasting connection moving forward.